Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm here with another very useful and informative video. In this video, I'll show you how you can fix if you're trying to change the country or region on App Store and you are facing this type of problem. To change stores, you must first cancel your Apple Music membership. So if you are trying to change the country or region on App Store and you are not able to do so because of Apple Music subscription, so in this video I'll show you how you can do that. So first of all, here you will have to open setting of your iPhone device. Then after that, here you will need to scroll it below, tap on general, then again scroll it below. Here you will need to search for VPN and device management, and here make sure that you are not connected with any VPN. If you are connected with VPN, then you will have to disconnect with VPN. Then after that, go back. Then here you will need to tap on background app refresh. So from here you will have to make sure that all the toggles are turned on from here. Then after that, go back. Then here you will need to scroll it below, tap on screen time. Then again here scroll it below, tap on content and privacy restrictions. Then after that, here make sure that the content and privacy restriction toggle should be turned off from here. Then after that, here you will need to close this tab. Then after that, here you will need to again open setting. Then after that, here you will need to open your Apple ID, tap on payment and delivery, and from here you will have to remove your payment method from here if you have entered your payment method. Then after that, here you will have to close this tab. Then again open setting. Then here scroll it below, tap on general, then again scroll it below, tap on transfer or reset iPhone. After that, tap on reset, then tap on reset network settings. Then after that, here you will have to enter your iPhone passcode. Then from here you will have to force to restart your iPhone device by tapping on the volume up button, then volume down, and then here you will have to hold the power button until the Apple logo appears. Then after restart your iPhone device, again you will have to open your Apple ID. Then here you will have to scroll it below, tap on media and purchases. Then here tap on view account. Then after that, here you will need to enter your password of the Apple ID. Then tap on done. Then here you will need to wait for a few seconds. Then after that, here is the option of country or region. You will need to tap on this. Then after that, here you will need to tap on change country or region. Then from here you will have to select the country. After that, here you will need to read these terms and conditions, and then here again you will have to enter your payment method. Then after that, you will need to enter the billing address. Then after that, your country on App Store will be changed. So this is the way through which you can fix this problem if you are facing problem while changing the App Store country on your iPhone device due to Apple Music subscriptions. So that's it from this video. Hopefully you like this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get my all upcoming videos. Thank you very much for watching this video.